Known picture for those collector of rocket pictures. This was really spectacular almost from the get-go. We see the vehicle lifting off and essentially coming over immediately and being destroyed by range safety, at least to the extent it can be destroyed by range safety at that altitude. Here's a view from the other side. The Juno 2 was a vehicle put together by
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, unité, feu. Allumage. Décollage. Tous les paramètres propulsifs sont normaux et la trajectoire est normale.
37 seconds into the launch, the onboard computers decided 501 was 90 degrees off course.
Mission to the ISS. Got main engines at 108%.
Avionics power nominal.
Eight, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition sequence start and liftoff of the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, adding to the International Space Station access for future American rockets. And Falcon has cleared the tower.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal. Vehicles programming downrange. Stage 1 propellant utilization is active. Power telemetry nominal. T+1 minute. Altitude. Speed 290 meters per second. Downrange distance 1.1 kilometers. Vehicle supersonic. Recovery drone ship has AOS. Vehicles reach maximum aerodynamic pressure. Stage 1 propulsion is still nominal. Power and telemetry remain nominal. Vac chill has begun. T+2 minutes. Altitude 32 kilometers. Speed 1 kilometer per second. Downrange distance 13 kilometers.
Data coming back shows vehicle on course, on track.